Hey everyone, it's Nancy and I've got a stitch fix and I'm not really sure what's in here. I got a preview. I can't remember what I picked. I'm pretty sure there's a pair of shoes from the way it feels. So I think it might be fall transition pieces, but let's get into this and find out. Welcome to my channel and welcome back if you're returning. I really appreciate all of my subscribers and how you keep coming back, and you're just so great about supporting me. Well, today we have one of my fan favorites. It is my Stitch Fix box for the month of September. This one, I'm not really sure what's in here. It's been a while, or at least it seems to me a while, because so much has happened since I looked at the preview on this one. So we're going to get a look at that together. If you're new, this is Ruger. He is my furry little pal and he loves to hang out with me most of the time when I record. Sometimes he gets an attitude and goes off for some reason, but for today we have Ruger with us, and for that I am grateful. Stitch Fix is a styling service. Pretty much everybody knows how it works. If you want to know, I do have cliff notes in the drop-down box, but I do want to tell you that if you use my link to order your first Stitch Fix box, you will save $25 off of anything from your first box, and I will also get a credit. And I want to thank you in advance if you do that. Everyone who has used my links and my codes and things over the past couple of years while I've had the channel have helped me out so much. You guys rock, and it has just been a big blessing to me, everyone who has done that. Okay, I went ahead and kind of pre-opened the box just a little bit because apparently my box opening skills with a giant knife are making some people nervous. It's a dull bread knife, and I keep having people tell me I need a box cutter. I just do it for fun. Alrighty. So we're going to start off showing you the bundle. Stitch Fix does send 5 pieces. Oh, I thought there was there's not shoes, but there went the prepaid mailer falling on the ground. So here is, it felt heavy, but it's nice bulky pieces. It looks like I've got a couple sweaters. I'm recalling the pink one now and possibly the jeans. So I think I kept a couple of items and let other items go. I did drop the prepaid mailer down here on the ground. The shipping to and from is free. I'll get that when I'm done. You do have a little envelope in here, and normally it has the oh hello card, but it looks like that fell off. There's an invoice. I'll look at that later. We'll save that for the end. I like to save it when I can, so I'm not influenced by the prices. And yes, the prices are on the preview when you pick, but I always forget them by the time it comes to me. Then we've got the oh hello card. This has a stylist note along with different outfit ideas for the pieces that have been included. Now, let's just get into our bundle here. Will it slide? It will slide. Much less noisy that way. I'm going to start off with the denim. So this, oh, this is cute. Oh, I love this denim that has the embroidery. These are by Democracy. They're a size 12. And I always say they're cropped, and then I put them on and they're not. This looks cropped to me, but we'll see. I think these are going to be some fall transition pieces here. Looking very sweatery. Woo, really sweatery in here. Oh, pretty pink cardigan. Now this is the one I know for sure that I requested. It is a cropped cardigan with a really nice thick knit to it. I love those balloon looking sleeves. We'll get a look at that. This is an interesting, I am throwing things around here. This is an interesting, oh, here's another cardigan. And this is kind of like a confetti. I'm going to call that a confetti type print. All sorts of different colors. Not sure how I feel about this one. It's interesting. It could be that I requested it, but I didn't get a real close look at it. This one, it's a sweater. And I think what happened was I kept a couple of cardigans and I asked her if she would include pieces that I could wear with them. I think that's what happened. So here is a really high neck, really high neck sweater. This one is by Lush. I don't know if I've ever had anything by Lush before. Very high neck. I am not a fan of high necks. It's like a gray and a cream stripe. It's a cute little sweater. I just don't know how it'll work on me. Oh well, it'll be fun to try. And last, we have, okay, what are you? A jumpsuit. Not, okay. This is different. I wouldn't think that a jumpsuit with spaghetti straps would be a fall transition piece, but I have a jumpsuit with, I'm a little stunned right now with spaghetti straps. I gotta go get a strapless bra, everybody. You wanna get a close-up look at the print? It's green with these white flowers that have pink centers. All right, there's my box. I have to run around here and grab some shoes, a strapless bra, and I'll be back in a little bit for the try-on. I lost a dog while I was running around getting stuff together to show you these pieces, so we'll go on without him. I did go around and gather some things to try and style these a little bit the way I would wear them. The way the stylist told me to put just one outfit together, the other pieces she did not discuss, and we'll probably talk about that as we go on, it wasn't going to work. And I'll try to remember to explain why in just a second here. But first of all, I do want to talk about the first two pieces. Let's start out with the jeans. These are by Democracy. They are your traditional 5-pocket styling, nice big pockets in the back. They're a skinny ankle length, and they have got beautiful embroidery down the sides. I think that's really, really pretty. I love interesting jeans like this, and these are great. The embroidery is a good color for fall, and I like that it's not super flashy. Now let's talk about the top itself. This is almost a sweatery type material. It's ribbed. It's ribbed and it's just a little bit thick, but it doesn't have a heavy feel to it. I thought I wouldn't like the high neck. It's not bothering me even a little bit. It's very soft and very comfortable. Nice wide cuff. And kind of a little bit of a full and puffy sleeve, which I love. So what do you think about this on me? What do you think about the color? It's an off-white with a gray stripe. So for me personally, I'll have to look at the footage back. I don't have any tops like this one. Not sure how much I would reach for it, mostly because that off-white color tends to wash me out a little bit, although on occasion I found that it doesn't. And the jeans, they're cute, but skinny legs are not the best on me. Anyone who's watched me for any period of time knows I was super, super happy when wide leg and flares came in. I went out and almost immediately got rid of all my skinny jeans. They're just so much more flattering when you have big hips. They help to balance the body out. I did style this with a pair of Mia booties that I got very close to when I first started the channel almost 2 years ago. And I think it looks cute like this. I wasn't sure how it would work with skinny jeans, but I think it does. So the way she had told me to style this was with the pink cardigan to throw it over top. She thought that would be cute. I don't think the Stitch Fix stylists have actually had their hands on all of the clothes. Unless they've ordered it for themselves, they probably don't know, because I don't think she had any way to know that this is so thick and it would be really difficult to get my arms through these sleeves. So I'm going to style this a different way for you. I'll be back in just a second with that. Next item up is the pretty pink sweater that she said I should wear with this, but it simply won't work. I went ahead and styled this up with my own Michael Stars tank underneath, because this is exactly how I would wear this in real life, and I think this looks really nice together. I love the two pinks. I've always loved the color pink, and I think the hot pink with this kind of bubble gum pink over top is really, really cute. I love the fit of this sweater. It's just, I love everything about it. I think it's really cute. I like the cropped length. Here's what it looks like in the back. Probably exactly like you imagined a sweater like this would look in the back, and I'll go ahead and button it for you for just a minute. Yay, I got the button straight. So I like this. If the price is good on this, I think this is going to stay here with me. I'm going to show you the other cardigan too, as long as I have this little pink top on. I also, by the way, am wearing my favorite strapless bra. I will try to remember to put my affiliate link for Amazon for this down in the drop-down box. It's a good one. It stays up real good. It's comfortable. I'm shocked I'm wearing a strapless bra while I'm doing what should be a fall try-on, but glad I have it. I have it in both beige and black, and hopefully it'll be in your size. I think they're starting to sell more of them. Last time I noticed they were kind of down in inventory on some sizes and different colors, but you can check that out if you're in the market for a strapless bra. This one is really good for us heavier breasted gals. So now we have this one. I think this almost looks like a confetti type knit. It's a, I would call this like a soft white. I love all the different colors in this. I think that's pretty. I'm just not sure that the sweater itself, I don't know. What do you guys think about the silhouette? Do you think this looks current, or do you think this looks a little bit dated? Probably the reason I'm asking that question is because this reminds me of something my grandmother would have worn, but that would have been back in the 80s, and maybe stuff from the 80s is coming back around again. As a matter of fact, I know it is. Is this coming back around too? Here it is in the back. Very cute. And I want to make note about these jeans. They are so itchy. I can't wait to get them off. It's all the places that the embroidery is. It is just itching like the dickens. I mean, I just want to scratch all the time. So I'm going to take these off and I'm going to come back with the jumpsuit and let's see how I style that up for fall-ish. This is really flattering. I may be a little bit confused about sending it at this time of year. It is still hot here in Indiana right now, but I still wasn't expecting anything but fall pieces in this box, largely because I asked for fall pieces. Having said that, this is really flattering and very cute. It just does all the right things, and I think this would be flattering on almost anybody. So this dark green jumpsuit has spaghetti straps. It does require a strapless bra, unless you would like to wear a tank underneath it, which I think would be perfectly fine. Maybe even a cute little t-shirt as you're moving forward in the year. So then you could, of course, wear a regular bra with it. It's got a little tie right here at the waist. It doesn't do anything. It's just decorative. It has a wrap style top, and it hangs nice and loose and flowy over my hips, which I love because with me, that's important. When things are tight on my hips, they make me look bigger. And they're long enough. I mean, they're actually a little bit longer than my leg length, which is fabulous. I can wear them with a pair of heels. And really, heels are about the only thing I want to wear with a jumpsuit. I always feel like jumpsuits on me look kind of funny, especially with size 11 feet, when I wear a flat shoe. Now, for fall, this is what I would do. I got this moto jacket. It is by Ever Eve. Obviously, I got this in a Trendsend. I think I got it in my very first Trendsend when I first started the channel. Try not to mess with the microphone. So there we go. That helps fall it up a little bit. And I think if I was to put like a black cami that came up kind of high, maybe with a little lace on it, that would be cute under this too. But this just gives a little bit of personality and pizzazz and makes it definitely warmer for the fall months. Okay, I'm going to pull it in close. We will talk prices, see what I might keep, and do a bit of a wrap up. With Stitch Fix, if you keep all 5 pieces, you save 25% off of your total. That's a really nice discount. I was going to change out of this and go ahead and put the pink shirt back on, and I thought, oh, this is comfortable. I like it. I don't know if I'm going to keep it, so I might as well wear it and enjoy it while I can. All right, I'm going to get a first look at the prices. Okay. This is Rihanna, is my stylist on this fix. This is my 25th fix, by the way. So we have the Rochelle knit jumpsuit by Kaylee in dark green size large. It's $58. It's cute. It's cute. I'm just not sure how much I'll use it until like next spring or summer. And I'm kind of hoping I'll be a little bit smaller next spring or summer. One thing I find remarkable about this though is both the top and the bottom fits of the jumpsuit. And a lot of times if something fits me through the bottom, it's way too big on the top because there's such a size discrepancy here. So this is a great jumpsuit. I mean, I'll have the links for these things, the ones I can find down below. And if you want to get this for yourself, I would highly encourage it. But $58 I think is a great price on this sweet little jumpsuit. I like it. I'm just not sure I'm going to keep it simply because of the season that we're in right now. Then we have the Love Ellie Audrey cropped button front crop. It must be crop sweater in pink, size medium. This is $46. That's really cute sweater. I love this. I think it's my favorite out of the whole thing, and I would love to have a pink sweater like this. I don't know anything about the brand. Somebody out there tell me, Love Ellie, is that a standard price on Love Ellie? I found that Stitch Fix tends to not inflate the price of their brands too much. So I might hang on to that one. We'll see. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. Would love some input. We had the Rudy long sleeve cardigan by Les Serene. The color is off-white. It is size medium, and it's only $28.97, which tells me this one might be on sale. I'm wondering, though, how much I'll really wear it. Guys, talk to me. What do you think about this one? That's a good price on this. One of the least expensive prices I have seen on Stitch Fix so far, $28.97. See, and that's the thing. That's the reason why I don't tell you the prices while I'm trying things on, if I can avoid it, if I have time, because it tends to really influence my opinion of the clothing. I get a chance to kind of gel with the clothes for a little bit before I know the price. All right, next is the Democracy High Rise Absolution Embroidered. I'm going to assume it means embroidered skinny jean in indigo, size 12, $88. These could be free. I wouldn't keep them because they are very itchy. Very cute, very itchy. And lastly, we have the Lush Valentina Blouson Sleeve Knit Top in off-white, size medium. This is 44. Cute little top. I don't think I'm going to keep it. I just don't think I would reach for it that often, but I do love that the neck doesn't choke me. Okay, so I am considering this, even though it's off season, maybe, and this, I think. My inclination is to keep this. I really like it. It honestly doesn't feel like it's real high quality, and I don't think the name Love Ellie is high quality, is it? But it's very comfortable, and it's very cute, and I know I would wear it a very lot. I'm jumping in here post filming because I realized that I forgot to give you guys the Subtotals and the buy 5 discount. So the total on all 5 pieces together was $264.97, and the buy 5 discount is $66.24, which brings my order subtotal down to $198.73. That's a really nice price on all 5 pieces, I think. But one of you, my amazing viewers, did use my link, so I have a $25 credit with Stitch Fix, and I'll save that on whatever I decide to keep from this box. And I want to thank you so very much. I really do appreciate it. Okay, back to the regular wrap up. Well, let me know what you think, guys. I will have links to all the stuff down below, and I thank you very much for taking the time to watch this month's Stitch Fix. This has been a lot of fun. Please do leave comments. I love interacting with you. If you would squish that like button for me for just a second, it helps the video out so much. If you have not subscribed, I would be thrilled and honored if you would consider subscribing. That is it. We will see you on the next video. Bye-bye, and be blessed. My furry little friend, in case you have not been here before. He hangs out with us on most of our... Okay, Ruger. I'm not sure this is entirely appropriate for camera. He's just chewing his toenails, but it's okay. There he goes.